Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're looking for the best laser welding machine in 2025, this video is for you. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 laser welding machines based on performance, versatility, power, and overall value. Whether you're a professional welder, workshop owner, or serious DIY user, this list includes both multi-process welders and industrial laser welding systems. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN 250A MIG Welder 6-in-1 Multi-Process Welding Machine. The ARCCAPTAIN 250A is a 6-in-1 multi-process welding machine supporting gas MIG, gasless MIG, stick, lift TIG, spool gun, and spot welding. It operates on 110 volts and 220 volts, making it suitable for home garages and professional workshops. This machine offers excellent flexibility and ease of use. The large LED display allows quick adjustments, and it performs well with aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon steel. Pros: 6-in-1 welding modes, dual voltage compatibility, large LED display, good aluminum welding capability, excellent value for money. Cons: not a true laser welder, not designed for heavy industrial use. A solid choice for users who need versatility without investing in laser technology. Number 2. 3000-watt laser welding machine, 4-in-1 industrial system, 380 volt. This 3000-watt fiber laser welding machine combines welding, cutting, weld seam cleaning, and metal surface cleaning. It supports aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon steel, and includes an automatic wire feeder. Built for industrial environments, this machine delivers fast, clean welds with minimal heat distortion, ideal for production lines and professional fabrication shops. Pros: powerful 3000-watt laser output, 4-in-1 industrial functionality, automatic wire feeder, clean and precise welds, minimal post-processing required. Cons: requires 380-volt power supply, high initial investment, best suited for industrial users who prioritize speed and efficiency. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN AC/DC TIG Welder 200A 7-in-1 Multi-Process Machine. This AC/DC TIG welder offers pulse TIG, square and triangular waveforms, stick or MMA, and spot welding in a 7-in-1 configuration. It supports both 110 volts and 220 volts input. This welder excels in precision aluminum TIG welding. The waveform controls allow experienced users to fine-tune weld quality for professional results. Pros: 7-in-1 multi-process capability, AC/DC TIG with pulse control, excellent aluminum welding performance, dual voltage operation, professional grade controls. Cons: steeper learning curve, not a laser welding machine. Ideal for experienced welders who need precise TIG control rather than laser welding. Number 4. 3000-watt laser welding machine, double Wobble industrial system. This 3000-watt laser welding machine features double Wobble technology and supports welding, cutting, and weld seam cleaning. It includes an automatic wire feeder and works with aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon steel. The double Wobble laser head improves weld width and consistency, making it suitable for thick materials and continuous production environments. Pros: double Wobble laser technology, high power 3000-watt laser output, smooth and consistent weld seams, industrial grade build quality, efficient for mass production. Cons: requires 380-volt industrial power, large size and higher cost. A strong choice for large-scale manufacturing and industrial fabrication. Number 5. X1 Pro 700-watt laser welding machine, 6-in-1 fiber laser system. The X1 Pro 700-watt is a 6-in-1 fiber laser welding machine offering welding, cutting, cleaning, rust removal, underwater welding, and CNC retrofit capability. It includes an automatic wire feeder and safety helmet. This machine is compact and versatile, making laser welding more accessible for small workshops and repair businesses. Pros: 6-in-1 laser functionality, compact design, automatic wire feeder included, supports underwater welding, good entry to mid-level laser system. Cons: lower power compared to 3000-watt machines, limited performance on thick metals, best for small businesses and users transitioning into laser welding technology. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.